my HOA, they're not big fans of us having something that is so beautiful in our backyard. Today is the big day. This statue of Zach from Jerry Rig Everything that he pranked me and put in my backyard without even telling me. He literally just came and dropped it off while I was working in my studio. It needs to leave. It has been about 3 years. We have lived here for a very long time. This has stood the test of time with the weather, but I guess the HOA says that you can't have a structure that is 2 feet taller than the wall. That was a new addition. And so our slide was in before that. This definitely is over it. Now, Zach, in full disclosure, did tell me that this was not engineered very well. So we have 4 of these little metal hooks. He was actually impressed and surprised that we made it here without it falling onto the wall. There's a chance as it's flying through the air that it does break. So we're gonna take this to a gravel pit, my friend Bobby's gravel pit, and then we're just going to destroy it and try to get the stuff inside of it, which I don't think I've ever told you on video. We have hidden inside of here that we have to get out, and it's in all different places throughout the body. So we have to destroy all of the concrete body to get that out. So we've got some work ahead of us, but I just hope that we can get it out of here safely, and I hope that my neighbors don't come and get mad at me for having a crane and for doing all of this stuff. So I have gone over and filmed the concrete to show beforehand to make sure that I didn't ruin any sidewalks. But if any neighbors come and get bothered with us, because that does happen sometimes, we'll film that too. The crane! The crane is here, it's time! Oh yeah, just went over the curb, nice and easy. I feel like that's not as big of a crane as last time, but maybe it is, I don't know. Bobby, you are the expert here. It's been a while since we've destroyed anything.
It's been a while, too long actually. I need to get back into it.
We destroyed a Tesla little mini car. We destroyed the world's largest subwoofer. Okay, we're inside of it. We destroyed a chainsaw. All kinds of stuff.
Yeah, we've got the candy machine and destroyed that.
So what are your thoughts? Do you think this thing is gonna safely get out of here and get to the gravel pit?
I'm a little worried with this section gone now.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know if these legs are gonna do okay, and we might lose an arm.
Okay.
Possibly. I don't know how it's gonna go. As long as we don't lose it in traffic though.
Yeah, that would be good.
Once we get it to the rock pit, I think it'll be fun, but
oh, where's it going?
It's getting set up.
Just wait till the neighbors come or the HOA comes to watch every little thing that I do to make sure I do it properly. What's that?
There's 2 guys in there, there's 1 guy in the back too.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Look at this, you got a guy in the back and a guy in the front. That is too cool. Wow, they really got close. I love it. These are the pros right here, the crane pros. All right, this is what we're doing here. We've got pallets on here and then we're putting moving blankets on. Last time Zach had mattresses on here, but I'm not gonna do mattresses. Bobby thinks it's gonna be all right, so we're gonna do it. Right now, they're moving the crane up. I'm hoping that this trailer can hold it. Sometimes it holds 10,000 pound excavators, and this is around 6,000 pounds, so we should be okay. Because we don't have a mattress, we might break some of the Zach statue, but as long as it doesn't break and fall into the road, I think we'll be all right. I'm okay with some of it breaking. We're about to destroy the entire statue. Whoa. All right. The crane is doing its job. No HOA members yet. Nobody's here watching us, so that's good. We're doing good though, we're safe, so far at least. All right, it's happening, Leslie. What are your thoughts about the statue being gone?
I actually am really sad it's leaving.
Really?
I didn't like it for 6 months. I was like, this is the weirdest gift ever. But now it's like just a statement in our backyard, and I look at it every morning and it makes me happy.
What statement does it make? It's time. Goodbye, Zach statue. It's lifting up. We have liftoff. That's a good sign. Oh, it's flying. Look at that. Look at it over the trees. The Christmas lights are, the Christmas lights. Oh, that's great stuff. It made it over the wall. It didn't break.
There we go.
That is a huge deal right there that it did not break over the wall.
Zach's flexing on the neighborhood right now.
Look at that, you can see his butt.
Still got the cell phone on the butt.
Oh my God. Oh, Bobby's jumping the wall. This guy's a pro over here.
You got it. Oh yeah, look at that.
So this is the tricky part, It's a good sized trailer for this. It'll work, but you don't want to put 6,000 pounds on the very end of the trailer and then have the front of it pop up. So we can't set it and then tip it. We kind of got to redo everything on it, maybe tip it before we put it in there, and then set it on there when it's already laying down so the weight works properly. These guys will figure it out, they're smart. The strap has pushed to the GoPro, but I'm sure we're still getting shots. Bobby's smiling. Look at Bobby's smile. This is a good start to his day here. All the little pieces are falling off right there. Come on, Zach, just lay down, buddy.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
This is the trickiest part, getting this to lay down, and he's doing it just with a giant crane. This is weird.
Laying him down? What are you doing?
What is this arm?
So he's gonna grab the bottom of the legs on the front of the feet and pick it up.
Oh my
We're
gosh.
just literally gonna go.
He's gonna be flying, laying down. Up, yep, up, whoop, whoop.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, Zach. Good job, Zach. Oh yeah, this is the way.
Oh my gosh, that guy's standing next to it. Makes me so nervous. Oh, okay.
Look how graceful he is. Boom. Boom goes the dynamite.
Yes. Oh yeah. Yes.
Look at that.
Whew.
Professionals right here.
That was so good.
Unbelievable. We did it. The crane is leaving the property. Woo! Yeah, no problem at all. That's money. Okay, goodbye, crane. Good job. We are just driving down the road currently, following this guy. Step number 2 is going to be destroy the statue. It does have side of it, but I'm gonna need a little help. I'm trying to figure out how to destroy this thing. I've got a few ideas. I don't see any pieces falling off or anything. Oh, there's a big bump. Oh, yeah. No, it's good. It's good. Some of it involves Bobby's super fancy machines and like jackhammers and stuff, but his machines are really busy. He is a busy guy. So we're gonna put it in his gravel pit. It's a private gravel pit, and then at some point in the next week or two, probably in this same video, we're gonna come back and destroy the whole thing. Where's the spot? Where do you want to put this thing?
Figure out where you want it.
Man, a lot of options out here. Whatever's out of your way. And where do you want the concrete after we destroy it?
We'll haul that.
You got a place for it?
We gotta get these names out first.
Yeah, right. But look at this guy in the back. What a ride, what a seat. Just chilling. Has no control of how this thing drives. He just hangs out in there. There's a lot of places to put it. We could just put it down here on the bottom. We're gonna destroy it at some point here. But Bobby had a good idea. If we're gonna do it, let's make it more fun. We're gonna put him on top of this hill over here. I'm actually impressed. It's still in one piece. Like, Zach did tell me he didn't really engineer this thing to be moved that well. He just put these 4 little metal things hoping that it would work. Well, it's gone all the way from his house to my house to this gravel pit. And now he's got an amazing view looking out on the whole valley of southern Utah out here. One of the problems is, there's a GoPro stuck on his mouth. I didn't bring my ladder. I think I can get that off with a rock. Oh! Oh!
Oh!
I actually touched it.
Yeah, first one you got it. Oh!
Oh!
GoPro down.
Okay, we got the GoPro. Still working?
Still good?
Still working. If only there were more rocks around here.
Yeah.
Oh, I missed.
Oh! Oh, he got it.
Yeah, we're just gonna leave it on there. So this is gonna be the resting place for the Zach Jerry Rig Everything statue for now. It's gonna hang out here, it's gonna enjoy the views. People are going to see it all around town. They're not gonna know that it has inside of it. It's going to be tricky to break this open. You saw me throw rocks at it. I might have to push it down the hill, run it over with some steamrollers. I don't even know what it's gonna look like, but I kind of love the statue and I'm sad to see it go. Goodbye, statue. I hope you're here next time I come back. Enjoy the views of the gravel pit and everything. This is a pretty place out here. I'm telling you, southern Utah is a special place. Blue skies pretty much all the time. Just beautiful, not a ton of trees. You got statues out here in the middle of the desert.
So glad nobody got hurt, nothing got ruined. Whoa, I almost fell just down the pool.
Up, 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 whoop, whoop.